Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to return a Zalando item. To return a Zalando item, you need to first open any web browser available on your device. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar and type in www.zalando.com, then press on enter. With this, you will be taken to official website of Zalando. Now here you need to select your country by clicking on your country. After this, you will be taken to this page. Now make sure that you are logged into your Zalando account. After this, click on the small profile icon present on the top right. Then click on Return an Item option. After this, here you will be taken to Return section of Zalando. Now here you need to first select the items that you want to return. It will be present on the left side of the website. These are the products that you have ordered. So after selecting the products, click on Create Return option present on the right side. With this, now your return will be created. Now you will be prompted to select a reason for your return. After this, you need to prepare your package and drop it off to the drop-off center. After this, you will be able to return a Zalando item. After the item successfully reaches the Zalando drop point, then you get a refund of your return item. This is how we can return a Zalando item. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.